With close to 2,400 square feet, you're going to love to Valentine Place for its exceptional layout and renovations from top to bottom. Come on in, let me show you around. From the roomy foyer to the living room, dining room, and family room, you'll notice that each and every room is the perfect size, complemented with Jatoba flooring, updated windows and doors, and gorgeous renovations. The spacious renovated eat-in kitchen is stunning with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a walkout to the backyard oasis. A renovated powder room completes the main floor. Jatoba flooring and 4 spacious bedrooms continues on the second floor, along with a renovated main bathroom and a large renovated laundry room. The cherry on the top is the stunning primary bedroom with its walk-in closet and 5-piece renovated ensuite bathroom. The basement is full and finished with a large recreation room, wet bar, bedroom, and bathroom. Located at the beginning of a quiet court, enjoy a stunning curb appeal, a fully fenced private backyard, completely landscaped with multiple interlock patios. It's truly an entertainer's dream. You're close to incredible grocery stores, restaurants, the Promenade Mall, parks, schools, and close to transit and highways. You're not going to want to miss this one-of-a-kind home. Book your showing today.